Hello, I'm Scott Barley and this is my project Scrap AI for IGB400. The project brief was to create something new to add to our portfolios, to expand them. I have never created a mobile game before, so that's what I set out to do. I'm not one for playing many mobile games. It was a new experience and a fun experience. I got to try lots of new things and explore and find the fun while doing it. Okay, so this is a little video of me actually playing it on my phone. It was hard to record a video of me playing it on my phone, so I'll keep this one nice and short and then actually show you in Unity itself. So yeah, because I wanted to create something uniquely for the mobile, I wanted to use mobile inputs. So it uses the tilt input, which I know some people don't like, but it made it interesting and fun to try and create something with it and actually have that the feeling, the affordance, the ergonomic design, I don't know, have it be intuitive to like fly along and steer as you fly. The game has 3 modes, as I was in the process of, as one of my favourite tutors put it, Lewis Van Dyke, you've got to find the fun, and I spent a lot of time finding the fun, so I decided to create 3 different play modes. There's the locate, the eliminate, and the outlast. So one is fly to a single point through the map. The other one is eliminate a bunch of enemies. I created 4 different enemy types, and the final one is just a survival with enemies constantly spawning in. You can destroy the buildings. I don't think I do in this example video, but I can show you over here instead. So the main project's goals was to plug a gap in my portfolio, creating a mobile game. It's nice and easy to show off to friends, family, if they ask what I'm doing, or other indie devs to hopefully try and get them to work with me. And the main aim was to actually demonstrate my coding skills, because that's what I am, a code, or at least I like all indie dev, but coding is what I'm best at, as you can tell by the art's pretty in its own way, but it's not pretty. I look forward to working with the proper artists who can make things I make pretty. So yeah, the project was mainly about showing off what are they called? Coding patterns in practice, and I used a lot of them, and I used them collectively together to synergize, which helped me create a lot of the project very quickly in like I like rapid prototyping, so this very much supported that. So yeah, use object pooling for the buildings. I think there's a video where you can see the buildings blowing up. I'll hopefully get to that in a second. The shooting things and the particle effects that come out when you set a building on fire. Factory pattern with dependency injection. My first time using dependency injection. I understand why it's a thing. You know? I understand its benefit and will definitely be using it more. And a bunch of other ones you can see on the screen. I probably use the singleton pattern way too much. I've been trying to get into making more multiplayer games, and the singleton pattern is now a bane of my existence as much as I love it. Let's see, let's jump into Unity and go and blow up a building. Okay, play. Outlast is too much of a pain in the ass for this. Let's go for eliminate. So we have our drone. Left joystick is for positioning, moving, steering. There's a glowing green barrier around the edge of the map to stop you flying off. And our right joystick is for shooting our weapons. There's a auto-targeting lock-on system It's a little finicky at the moment, but it was fun programming, and yes, we can destroy buildings, which I did have them being able to destroy each other for a time, but then it ended up as a massive, messy domino effect, which was pretty chaotic, although fun. I might do it again. It needs a little fitness. Whoops. It's a semi-damaged building, as that will also show off some. Are we on fire? Yes. This is one of the favourite things I worked on. So I take in the mesh of the building, and then I spawn a bunch of particle effects around it on its outside planes of the mesh. So now it looks like the building's burning. I actually, this made me very happy, like getting this working. I think it looks really cool. It's not as pretty as it could be, but that's what artists are for. Okay, so yeah, we also have an upgrade system. They use scriptable objects and a bunch of dependents. I don't know. It uses a bunch of things. Before we upload. I'm being forced down to the road layer. Hopefully we can float back up again. We'll float back up very slowly. But you can see some of the other assets I've created, such as the roads along with the buildings. Yeah, you can see an enemy over there. So yeah, there's 3 game modes. Actually, nice safe at this weird angle. It's quite good. Maybe a strategy is like letting a building fall on you. No, I need to re-add the damage to that. Much harder to play without the tilt being able to like control my direction. So we have a bunch of menus to support lots of playtesting. People were upset about the tilt inputs, and some people liked it more sensitive, some people liked it less sensitive. So we can let people like choose their own. We can output our tilt data. It's much more useful actually on the mobile version when you're getting in-tilt data. The cheats are all disabled at the moment. Yeah. I'm not quite sure what else to show off at this point. Let's have a quick look if there's anything else in here. Yeah, so we've put the game up on itch, so people can download it and play it. It's the start of something. I've actually really enjoyed the process of making this and want to keep working on it. Just enjoy the process, which is what I'm looking to do further in the future. For anyone who wants to see other things I've made, I enjoy making things. Yeah. That's not relevant to this, but yeah, it was a fun project. It's why I enjoy making games. It's expanded my skill set. A lot of effort went into doing Battle with Cinemachine. It's still a little janky. I still need to learn some more Cinemachine and understand how to put in the boundaries better on the auto tracker. But yeah, it's been a good process. If you want to see more of my games, follow me at Scott Makes Games or on LinkedIn. Thank you for listening.